Kyoto Encyclopedia of Genes and Genomes, KEGG, MCQs. KEGG was established in which year? A. 1990. B. 1995. C. 2000. D. 2005. Answer, B. Explanation, KEGG was launched in 1995 during the early genome sequencing era. KEGG was founded by A. Margaret Day Hoff. B. Amos Baruch. C. Minoru Kanehisa. D. Francis Collins. Answer, C. Explanation, KEGG was created by Minoru Kanehisa at Kyoto University. The primary purpose of KEGG is to A. Store only DNA sequences. B. Store only protein structures. C. Integrate genes with pathways and systems. D. Store raw genome reads. Answer, C. Explanation, KEGG integrates genomic data with functional and pathway information. KEGG stands for A. Kyoto Encyclopedia of Genetic Genomics. B. Kyoto Encyclopedia of Genes and Genomes. C. Knowledge Engine for Genomic Genes. D. Kyoto Experimental Gene Group. Answer, B. Explanation, full form is Kyoto Encyclopedia of Genes and Genomes. Which component links genes across species functionally? A. KEGG pathway. B. KEGG drug. C. KEGG orthology. D. KEGG disease. Answer, C. Explanation, KEGG orthology, KO, groups homologous genes by function. KO number for hexokinases. AR00299. BC00031. CK00844. DM00001. Answer, C. Explanation, K numbers represent orthologous functional groups. HSA in KEGG gene entry represents A. Human pathway. B. Homo sapiens organism code. C. Hexokinase subtype. D. Human sequence archive. Answer, B. Explanation, HSA is the organism code for Homo sapiens. MAP 00010 represents A. Human glycolysis. B. Mouse glycolysis. C. Universal glycolysis pathway. D. Drug metabolism pathway. Answer, C. Explanation, MAP prefix means general reference pathway. HSA 00010 represents A. General pathway. B. Human specific pathway. C. Reaction ID. D. Module ID. Answer, B. Explanation, organism prefix indicates species specific pathway. In KEGG flat file format, entry field indicates A. Sequence length. B. Unique identifier. C. Enzyme class. D. Reaction type. Answer, B. Explanation, entry gives unique KEGG ID. Which field connects a gene to a functional group? A. Name. B. Module. C. Orthology. D. Class. Answer, C. In the KEGG database, the orthology field, often referred to as KO or K numbers, serves as the central hub for linking genomic information to biological functions. KGML stands for A. KEGG Genome Mapping List. B. Kyoto Gene Markup Language. C. KEGG Markup Language. D. KEGG Gene Modeling Language. Answer, C. Explanation, KGML is XML-based KEGG markup language. Which API command retrieves a full entry? A. List. B. Find. C. Get. D. Link. Answer, C. Explanation, get operation retrieves detailed record. To search genes by keyword using API. A. Get. B. Find. C. Link. D. Conv. Answer, B. Explanation, find performs keyword search. Which API command connects genes to pathways? A. List. B. Get. C. Link. D. Conv. Answer, C. Explanation, link shows relationships between databases. Reaction IDs in KEGG start with AK, BR, CC, DM. Answer, B. Explanation, reaction entries use prefix R. Compound IDs start with AK, BM, CC, DP. Answer, C. Explanation, compounds use prefix C. Module IDs start with AM, BR, CK, DH. Answer, A. Explanation, modules represent functional units in pathways. In pathway map, rectangles represent A. Compounds. B. Enzymes. C. Genes only. D. Drugs. Answer, B. Explanation, rectangles represent enzyme/gene products. Circles in pathway map represent A. Enzymes. B. Pathways. C. Compounds. D. Diseases. Answer, C. Explanation, Circles denote metabolites/compounds. Green boxes in organism-specific map indicate A. Missing genes. B. Present genes. C. Drug targets. D. Disease markers. Answer, B. Explanation, green shows genes present in that organism. Which format is default for KEGG entry download? A. XML. B. JSON. C. Flat text file. D. FASTQ. Answer, C. Explanation, KEGG entries use structured flat file format. To get amino acid sequence via API. A/ESAC. B/ENSAC. C/KGML. D/image. Answer, A. Explanation, ESAC retrieves protein sequence. KEGG integrates all except A. Genes. B. Pathways. C. Climate data. D. Drugs. Answer, C. Explanation, KEGG focuses on biological and chemical systems. CONV API command is used for A. Conversion of IDs. B. Searching entries. C. Listing pathways. D. Downloading image. Answer, A. Explanation, CONV converts IDs between databases. KEGG pathway mainly provides A. Sequence alignment. B. Reaction networks. C. Structural models. D. Phylogenetic trees. Answer, B. Explanation, pathway maps represent biochemical reaction networks. KEGG drug database links drugs to A. DNA sequences. B. Pathways and targets. C. Climate models. D. Microbial taxonomy. Answer, B. Explanation, drug entries connect to genes and pathways. KO numbers allow A. Species-specific annotation only. B. Cross-species functional comparison. C. Genome assembly. D. Protein folding prediction. Answer, B. Explanation, KO groups homologous genes across organisms. Bulk download of KEGG FTP requires A. Free account. B. Institutional subscription. C. Special software. D. Registration only. Answer, B. Explanation, FTP access is subscription-based. KEGG primarily supports which field? A. Astrophysics. B. Systems biology. C. Geology. D. Meteorology. Answer, B. Explanation, KEGG connects genes to network-level biological systems. Which KEGG database contains curated disease information linked to genes and pathways? A. KEGG genes. B. KEGG disease. C. KEGG module. D. KEGG reaction. Answer, B. Explanation, KEGG disease integrates genetic and pathway-level information related to human diseases. In a KEGG flat file, continuation lines are identified by A. A colon at the beginning. B. Indentation without repeating the field name. C. A semicolon. D. A new entry line. Answer, B. Explanation, KEGG flat files use indentation to continue information under the same field. Which identifier would represent a KEGG reaction entry? A. K00844. B. C00031. C. R00299. D. M00001. Answer, C. Explanation, reaction IDs begin with R. Which REST API command would list all available KEGG pathways? A. rest.kegg.jp/get/pathway. B. rest.kegg.jp/list/pathway. C. rest.kegg.jp/find/pathway. D. rest.kegg.jp/link/pathway. Answer, B. Explanation, the list operation retrieves all entries in a given database. In KEGG pathway maps, arrows primarily indicate A. Gene expression levels. B. Evolutionary direction. C. Direction of biochemical reaction. D. Protein structure folding. Answer, C. Explanation, arrows represent the flow and direction of biochemical reactions. Which field in a KEGG gene entry connects to external databases like NCBI or UniProt? A. Module. B. Blinks. C. Class. D. Network. Answer, B. Explanation, Blinks provide cross-references to other databases. The KEGG module database represents A. Complete genome sequences. B. Functional units within pathways. C. Drug classifications. D. Taxonomic hierarchies. Answer, B. Explanation, modules are defined functional subunits, example complete glycolysis module. To retrieve KEGG pathway in KGML format via REST API, which suffix is used? A/XML. B/KGML. C/markup. D/network. Answer, B. Explanation, /KGML retrieves the KEGG markup language, XML, file. If you want to identify all pathways associated with a specific gene using REST API, which operation is most appropriate? A. Get. B. List. C. Link. D. Find. Answer, C. Explanation, link connects one database entry to related entries in another database. The core conceptual framework of KEGG is best described as A. Sequence alignment repository. B. Phylogenetic classification tool. C. Chemical reaction network of biological systems. D. Raw sequencing archive. Answer, C. Explanation, KEGG models biological systems as interconnected chemical reaction networks linking genes to higher order functions.